Don't make these 5 mistakes when getting your Unity game onto the App Store. There are lots of tutorials that will teach you how to get your game onto the App Store for Mac or for iOS. But they never seem to show you any of the problems that they faced in this long, convoluted process. Well, I'm here to help you about some problems that I faced that you might be facing too. I know this process is super frustrating, especially since online answers and tutorials can be so old. So let's take a deep breath together and let's get started. Problem number 1. You need a Mac. To get your game on the App Store for Mac or for mobile, you need to request a distribution certificate. This can only be done through Keychain Access on a Mac. You are also going to need Xcode, which comes later in the process. It's 12 gigabytes, so make sure to have space to download it. I would recommend having extra space to make sure that it downloads properly and that everything functions well. Therefore, to proceed with publishing your game, you need a Mac. Problem number 2. Technically in this process, problem number 2 comes first. However, I wanted to specify that you need a Mac so that any PC users can quickly realize that they need to go out and buy this computer. To become an individual Apple developer, it costs $99 a year. This is a lot compared to the one-time fees on platforms such as Google Play and Microsoft Store and Steam. So beware. Problem number 3. This is more of a heads up than a mistake, but you need to register a new provisioning profile for each platform that you want your game to be. So if you want to create a game on both Mac and iOS, you need one for each. That will allow you to have submission portals for each platform. Problem number 4. Make sure you are increasing your build and version number every time you try and upload your game. This can easily be done in Unity, but it is so important, so don't forget it. Otherwise, your builds may fail and probably won't be accepted to the App Store. So this is a critical step. Problem number 5. Check the button Export as Xcode project. This will save you so much time and work and will also prevent potential issues. Now, a lot of tutorials do not show this button because it simply didn't exist for them. This is a newer feature of Unity. However, by exporting it as an Xcode project, it is essentially almost ready to be uploaded to the App Store. So this will save you the hassle of having to write extra code for the App Store. So make sure to check this button. I really hope these tips helped. This is a super tough, long process, but it will be very rewarding once you see your game up there. Good luck, everyone, and if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below.